Ever wondered how to effortlessly grow your wealth, even with just a few dollars a week? A question that many of us ponder. Well, today, we're diving deep into a unique investment platform designed to do just that, Raiz. Raiz isn't your typical investment platform. It's a set-and-forget micro-investing app that rounds up your everyday purchases and automatically invests the spare change. It's a clever way to harness the power of compound interest, even with small amounts. The core question, but the burning question remains, how much money can you really make on Raiz? Breaking down the potential. The power of small amounts. The magic of micro-investing. Let's say you round up to the nearest dollar on your daily purchases. That might seem insignificant, but over time, it can add up to a substantial sum. The impact of compound interest: as your investments grow, so does the interest you earn. This compounding effect can significantly boost your returns over the long term. Diversification, your shield against risk. Spreading your risk, Raiz automatically diversifies your investments across a range of asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and property. This reduces your exposure to risk and increases your chances of long-term growth. Professional management, you don't need to be a financial expert to invest with Raiz. Their team of professionals handles the complex investment decisions for you. The role of fees. Understanding the costs. While Raiz offers a user-friendly platform, it's important to be aware of the fees involved. These typically include platform fees and management fees. Balancing costs and returns, it's crucial to weigh the potential returns against the fees. Over the long term, the power of compound interest can often outweigh the costs. Real-world examples and case studies. The early investor. Highlight a hypothetical scenario of someone who started investing with Raiz in their early 20s. Show how consistent, small investments, compounded over decades, can lead to a significant nest egg. The late starter. Demonstrate how even those who start investing later in life can still benefit from Raiz. Discuss strategies like increasing contribution amounts or adjusting investment portfolios to maximize returns. Maximizing your returns on Raiz. Set realistic goals, determine your financial objectives, and align your investment strategy with them. Be patient and consistent. The key to successful investing is long-term commitment. Avoid impulsive decisions and stick to your plan. Take advantage of Raiz features. Explore additional features like salary sacrifice and automatic top-ups to boost your savings. Stay informed. Keep up to date with market trends and economic news. Consider adjusting your investment strategy as needed. While Raiz offers a convenient way to start investing, it's important to have realistic expectations. The amount you can make will depend on various factors, including your initial investment, contribution frequency, market performance, and the fees charged. Ready to start your investment journey? Consider giving Raiz a try. It's a simple, effective way to grow your wealth, one small step at a time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.